Crypto still seen as risky among U.S. investors despite ownership surging 8x since 2018 survey. Despite growing ownership rates, most Americans view cryptocurrency as a risky investment, with 64% of U.S. investors considering it very risky. Cryptocurrency may be easier to buy than ever, but most Americans still want no part of it. A new Gallup survey found that just 14% of U.S. adults own crypto, a figure that has been growing but still represents a small slice of the investing public. The study, conducted in mid-June, revealed deep skepticism about cryptocurrencies. 60% of respondents said they have no interest in ever buying cryptocurrency, and just 17% admitted they're intrigued. Only 4% of respondents said they plan on buying crypto in the near future. Gallup also found that among U.S. investors owning more than $10,000 in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, 55% considered the asset class very risky. Still, ownership rates skyrocketed from 2% in 2018 to 17%. This skepticism isn't surprising, despite the U.S. having a pro-crypto president and clearer regulations that have recently been rolling in. While the 2021 bull run ushered in extreme volatility and made crypto a mainstream topic, the subsequent brutal crypto winter, which saw many high-profile bankruptcies such as FTX, as well as scams and exploits, soured retail investor sentiment. Although crypto has since then seen institutional investors jumping into the market, helping it become more legitimate, many retail investors, burned by the past losses, are likely still staying vigilant. 4 years ago, Gallup found that 6% of U.S. investors owned cryptocurrency. That figure has since risen but may be conservative, as a Fed survey revealed 12% ownership among U.S. investors. Diving deeper into the ownership, the demographic divide is stark. While 1 in 4 men aged 18 to 49 owns crypto, the survey found that ownership drops sharply among women and older adults. College graduates and high-income earners report above-average participation, but seniors and low-income households remain largely absent from the space, the survey shows. Knowledge gaps also persist. Nearly everyone surveyed had heard of crypto, but only 35% said they actually understood how it works. Familiarity was highest among younger men and the wealthier. Even among those who claim to understand crypto, most still call it a risky bet. Among U.S. investors, 64% see the asset class as very risky, up from 60% in 2021. The survey found that about 1 in 7 Americans owns crypto, while nearly 6 in 10 own stocks or real estate. Only 4% of adults said crypto is the best long-term investment. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked, and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.